How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about extended brake lines on the front of your Jeep Cherokee. Now, a lot of times they get a little expensive, anywhere from 80 bucks to 100, just depends where you get them from, and then you can find the cheaper ones. But you don't have time to order it, you got to drive your Jeep. So I'm going to show you a little trick on your Cherokee that you can do to get extended brake lines so you don't rip them. If you flex it out a little bit. Honestly, I run my Cherokee like this for a while with a 3.5-inch lift without braided brake lines. If you don't want to do this trick, you can get these braided brake lines right here off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. They're the ones that I run, and they're super cheap and affordable, and I've never had a problem out of them. But let's go ahead and get into the video, and I'm going to show you how to extend your brake lines for absolutely no money. Just go ahead and take the bolt out of this. It's a T30 Torx bit. See if I can get the focus or get the light out of the way. Mine was a T30 Torx bit, but I took it out and I just put it over here. That little notch goes in that hole. But all I did was straighten out the line and it moved it down a good bit, actually. You can place it just about anywhere you want, but you just straighten the line out. As you can see, it dropped it down a good bit. I want to stop the video for a minute and show you a product that I'm not sponsored by, but a light that has helped me work on things and also weld in hard to see places. Now, what I like about this light, it's really smooth. You don't hit it off of stuff. It goes against your head, and it has a little sensor over here on the left. You can put this on and put your welding helmet down. It turns the light off. If you're in a dark area, you can flip your welding helmet back up. The light comes on so you can see where to arc your weld or hold the piece of plate that you have. These lights are pretty cool. They're $25 for a pack of 2. You can get them on Amazon. And when you're working under a vehicle and you're tired of your old headlamp or you can't get a shop light in there, you can put this on your head. It brightens it up like daylight. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Where you want it, don't get it too close to the shock, but just move it where you want it. I just stuck the bolt back in the hole. That way it's not an open hole. Give it another reason to rust. I'm just going to drill a hole, get a self-tapper, and just put it down here somewhere. You just got to drill a hole for the little tab piece on top. Then you get a self-tapper and just tap it in. Then you get all kinds of brake line. I got way more than I need. So it worked for me, and it saved me money in the long run. Pretty self-explanatory. It takes a couple of minutes. I did this after I lifted the Cherokee, and honestly, it works. It's cheap, and if you're on a budget, it helps you out a lot. It's not the prettiest thing. You can make it look pretty, and honestly, you can extend the metal brake line and make a bracket if you wanted to. But this will get you by until you get some braided brake lines, or you can run it like this for a while until you save up some money to do other things and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Go check out the merch store. We just dropped a bunch of cool shirts. Check out all the links in the description below for the Amazon store. You have some cool stuff that you can buy down there, and it also helps me out. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm Cherokee Ronnie. Stay dirty, my friend.